So a really simple way to be more sustainable with your beauty routine is to use reusable makeup remover pads. Now, obviously this is to replace single-use disposable makeup wipes, so wipes in a packet, and also the little cotton pads that you use with, say, a micellar water to remove your makeup, because you're just throwing them in the bin. Terribly wasteful, goes straight into landfill. So there's so many options on the market now. Just in the last few months, we've seen quite a few become available. Now, there are the ones that you just use with water, and then there are ones that you can use with, say, micellar or a cream cleanser. I'll talk you through, these are a couple of the ones that you can just use with water. So this is Sante by Enyo. You can see mine's a bit well loved. I've been using these ones for a while. Now this one's Face Halo, Chloe Morello's brand. Now these are both using a special microfiber that actually grabs onto oil and makeup particles and whisks them away from the skin. So all you need is water, and they're really effective. I'll show you actually. I have a little bit of makeup on, so you should be able to see it. So I've just wet that, and look at that. You can see straight away, it just comes straight off. It's really soft, really nice thing to use. I often use them to get, like I'll use a mask and then to take the mask off as well. It's really effective rather than just using a face washer. So that's one style. The other style is more of a one that you would use with micellar water. So this is Garnier Micellar Reusable Eco Pads. These are super soft, like they feel like the most fluffy, dreamy fabric, sort of texture. You can see that, it's like a teddy bear. They are so soft to use, and I've been using mine for months, and you just throw them in a wash bag and they will come out good as new. It's the Garnier ones. There's also, Sephora has got these ones. These are more of a terry toweling. They're still very soft. They're a super fine terry toweling. They're not quite as fluffy as these ones, but they are really lovely. I'll show you. So this does feel like it's working really well. Like it quite quickly takes everything off. Look, lips. And then this one is a new one from Bear & Co. I really love these muslin muslin bags they come in. This is a double-sided. So one side is hemp and the other side is organic cotton. And this side's a little bit more firm and this side's softer. So I guess it depends on whether you want it to have any kind of exfoliating effect with your skin. I like that they're black because over time, when you do use these guys a lot, they do begin to discolor a little bit, although it's not as satisfying because you can't see what you're getting off. But that feels really nice and fresh. And then finally, to replace those disposable cotton buds is this one from, I think it's pronounced Ioko Reuse. It's really cute little container there. So I just use this one when I make a mistake with my makeup, and you can either wet it with micellar or you can just wipe it under your eye where you've made the mistake, and it should just pick it up. It's like a silicone sort of tip. But if you don't want to drag the skin and you're a bit worried, then you can dip it in a micellar like that and just give it a little wipe, and that should come off. You can see it just, and I actually use one of these cotton pads with micellar to clean these. There you go, look at that, so good. And there's a more textured one for, I think this would be more for the ear, but you'd have to be careful because they do come off, so make sure you don't go too deep into the ear or you might lose it. And that would not be fun to be explaining at the emergency department. So really great options. I encourage you to consider to stop buying your single-use cotton pads and cotton buds, because there are so many great options on the market, and you just throw them in the wash. I have one of these just sitting by my sink, and when I use it, my pads, like I'll go through one a day, and then once a week I'll wash them all. So amazing options there. I'll see you later. Bye.